Here's how to install BannerBuzz window, decals, and clings.
In your package, you'll receive a decal or cling and a squeegee for easy installation.
You'll also need a spray bottle and a lint-free cloth. Spray the glass and wipe clean to remove dust, oils, and residue. Peel off the backing, place it on the glass, and press each corner. Based on adhesive, apply outside or inside with the design facing outward. Use the squeegee to smooth from the center out, removing bubbles. Your graphic is installed, clean, secure, and brand ready. And unlike decals, clings are repositionable and reusable. Move them anytime without residue.
BannerBuzz window decals and clings make installation easy and help your brand stand out.